In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover seed phrase in OKX wallet. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the OKX wallet application like you normally would. Then go to the top left and select on the grid right over here, and then it is going to open up a page that looks like this. From here, we need to go ahead and select on backups, which is right underneath wallet security. Then we need to go ahead and select on the wallet we want to go ahead and recover the seed phrase for. So I'm just going to go ahead and select my wallet right over here. And then you're going to get something that does look like this. And then from here, you want to go ahead and select where it says seed phrase. And basically from here, it is going to allow you to actually back up your seed phrase. So you will have to do some verification. So go ahead and press on I understand. Then you need to go ahead and press on I understand one more time, just like so. And by the way, before I do this, just make sure that you are doing this 100% safely. Do not share your recovery seed to anybody, because if somebody's asking you for your recovery seed, then that means they're trying to steal everything you have. So do not give anybody your recovery seed. Guys, I'm not playing around. Anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on backup seed phrase. Once you're done with that, and then you will need to go ahead and put in your fingerprint. And then from here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just tap the screen in order to show your seed phrase. And then you want to go ahead and just copy it down from there. You guys are able to go ahead and recover it. You guys could write it down on a piece of paper, save it to your device notes, and just make sure you do have it in a safe place. But once you're done with that, you can go ahead and press on continue. And then it is going to go ahead and quiz you on your seed phrase. So just make sure you answer it correctly. And from there, you would have successfully recovered your seed phrase. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.